Here we have the score for the N22 benchmark, and this device has given a score of 19655, which is a pretty decent score, I would say. And this device, in terms of day-to-day usage and performance, is pretty good as well. You can play almost any high definition game on this device, provided you have storage for the same. So we have a score of 60.4 FPS on this device on Micromax, and this device does justify the score because we have installed a couple of heavy games like Modern Combat 4, Blood and Glory, Dead Trigger 2, and we will just play these games. We have played these games on this device, and this device has performed pretty well when it comes to gaming. Now let's take a look over the hardware information for this device. We have the system information. The model number of this device is Micromax A310, and when we take a look over the processor, we have ARM V7 processor clocked at 1.6 GHz or 1.7 GHz to be very approximately, and it is an octa-core CPU. It is MediaTek 6592 chipset, as you can see, and we have the display resolution over there, which is 720 to 1280, and the display resolution on this device is pretty good. You have a pretty good pixel density. I do not see any pixelation on this device as far as display resolution is concerned. We have Mali 400 MP2 GPU, which is good, and we have sensors which includes accelerometer sensor, proximity sensor, light sensor. You do not have magnetic field sensor on this device, but GPS navigation works fine on this device provided you are outdoors, and it can log the GPS location pretty easily without any issues. Now when it comes to multi-touch, this device supports 5-point multi-touch, as you can see. So now we are playing this game called Temple Run OZ. This is a casual game to start with, so let me just see how does this device handle this game. So in terms of graphics, I can see everything clearly without any issues. I can see the shadow of the player, everything is fine. When it comes to the draw distance for the game is also pretty good. There is no issue with the touchscreen as well. I can easily control the player, and touchscreen is responsive as it can be. So this game is running perfectly fine. The gravity sensor on the device is also working well. So now we are playing this game called Frontline Commando D-Day, and in terms of graphics, it is working fine till now. I can access all the gaming controls on the screen itself without any issues. I can easily aim and shoot, which is good. So touchscreen is pretty responsive. There is no issue with that. As you can see, I can easily play this game on this device without any kind of graphic lag, which is something which I really like. So again, this is a medium graphic intensive game which you can play on this device without any issues. So now we are playing this game called Blood and Glory, and this game is running smoothly as far as graphics are concerned. I do not see any issue with the touchscreen or with the graphics, which is really good. So you can play this game on this device without any issues, as you can see, and it is quite responsive when it comes to the touchscreen as well as in terms of the graphics. And I really like this game, which includes a lot of blood. So one thing I face is that whenever I hold the device like this, accidentally I touch the volume button, which brings up the volume control on the screen. But again, you can play this game on this device without any issues, as you can see. So now we are playing this game called Dead Trigger 2, and this game is running fine in terms of graphics. I do not notice any issues. As you can see, everything is running smoothly till now.
What the hell is this?
So the loudspeaker is also fairly loud when I play this game. This is something I like. So there is no problem with the game playback or with the graphics, as you can see.
Follow me. I know a shortcut.
Okay.
So in terms of graphics, this game is running smoothly and there is no issue with the playback. However, the battery actually loses its charge pretty fast.
Close! Hold on!
No problem.
You're ready for some trouble.
So you can play this game without any problem on this device, and the gameplay is smooth. Touchscreen controls are smooth. There is no problem with the touchscreen as well. Everything is getting played smoothly without any issues, as you can see.